Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I have lots and lots of destashes. It's that time of the year. Excuse the snoring if you hear that. Someone's sleeping in the background. But anyways, it's that time of year, spring cleaning, and I have a whole bunch of stuff that I just need to get rid of, and these things must go. So if you are interested, please email me at saileenai@rocketmail.com. The rocket mail is together, okay? That's why I put a dash on there. Or you can private message me on Instagram at CraftyMamaPanda, okay? And let me know what lot you are interested. So yeah, but before we start, I just wanted to share with you guys my super cute nails. If you guys are interested, I did purchase this set from Dollar Tree. They also have other cute sets as well, but this is the cheetah with the black French tip. And then I also use, this is actually from Dollar Tree as well. I didn't like that it showed that empty part, so I decided to cover it up with this Kiss Gel. This is in the, that's the number there. So it looks like it doesn't have a name for it, but yeah, I also got this one from Dollar Tree too. So yeah, I think they turned out super cute. What do you guys think? Bougie on a budget. Anyways, put that aside, and I'm gonna go ahead and start off with this one will be beads and bows. They will be $15 shipped. I have 2 of these, so if you're interested, just let me know, lot number 1 or 2, if they are sold. So if someone purchased them, I will make sure to put sold. But yeah, this will be 15 shipped. This is the beads and bow. I have 2 of these, so lot number 1 and 2 are going to be the same thing right here. It has bows and beads, and I will put this information, hopefully it's still okay. So here is what is in here. Okay, so here is the beads. Very pretty bead pieces there. We've got flowers, we got loads of fun pieces in there. So yeah, there's that one, and there's this one. And then there is lots of bows that I handmade. This one comes with this black and white and this mint, and then there's a black and white here. So there's 4 in this pack here. There is also 4 in this pack here. And then there is also this bee theme, and it comes with 4 as well. I just wanted to get rid of some stuff because I've just accumulated way too much and they need to go. So there is actually 8 in this pack. There is 2 of each. So there's 2 of the brighter pink, 2 of the lighter pink, 2 of the white, and then 2 of this like orangey brown color, light brown color. So there's that. And then I will also be including these here, and just as a little thank you gift for purchasing. So that is lot number 1 and 2. I will only show you guys one of them because it's pretty much the same thing. Let me go ahead and put this stuff back so I don't get it all mixed up. So they are ready to go, ready to get shipped out. And if you are interested in lot number 1 and 2, please message me or email me. Okay, lot number 3 and 3 to 6 will all be the same. It's just mixed bows. They will be 9 shipped. There is 4 of the same exact theme. So here it is. I want to make sure I keep that in frame. So these are just bows. So there's 4 of these right here. Okay. And then there's 4 bows in here, which looks like that. And then these ones here. And then these one, which has 8 bows. And these ones, which I will be sending as a little thank you gift. So lot number 3 to 6 will be 9 shipped, and there is 4 of these if you are interested. And then here is lot number 7. This will be bows, card, and a little bit of just extra stuff. 13 shipped. So these are all the extra bows. So this one comes with these cards here. This one says, they're brand new, never been used. Wherever you are, fun will find you. And then that's what it says inside. It's like a cute little camper. And it comes with the envelope. And then this one here says, why did the person having a birthday cross the road to get to the bar on the other side? Of course, happy birthday. Super cute. Comes with the envelope. And then here are the other pieces. This one comes with these clear seed beads here. And there's lots in there. This lot comes with these crystal pieces, which is fun to throw in packaging, like a birthday mail or anything like that. Then there's silver paper clips, and then some of these like little beads. These are little seed beads in green. And then there's this kind, and then this green, lighter green. So that's that. And then this pack of mixed beads here. So this one actually comes with 3 packs of these, like the bumblebee theme. So there's 3 of that. And then it comes with 1 pack of this one here. Okay, and then the thank you bow gifts. All right, so that is lot number 7. That will be 13 shipped. Oh, I forgot to mention, this will be US only, PayPal only, friends and family only. Okay, so there is that one. And then on to the next. This will be lots number 8 and 9. They both will be the same. I've already packaged one up, so I'm going to open up the other one and kind of, actually not opening it up, but kind of sharing with you guys what will come with this. So this is the Halloween loaded bag. And I have a thorough more look. I will make sure to link that video in the description box below if you are interested. It does come with this bag, which I made. I want to double check. I'm still recording. Yes. Okay, so this is a little thank you gift that I will be adding. And then this is just a bag I stitched up, and then I tied a bow and made a bow there. I put it in the Ziploc bag just to make sure that nothing gets ruined, you know, in case the bag that it's in gets ruined. It also comes with fingernail set, which is like a Halloween set Did I mention how much this one was? Then it also comes with these 24 packs of boo bags, which are so nice for Happy Mail. So there is 2 of this. It will be the Halloween loaded bag, 25 shipped, and I only have 2 of these. So lot 8 and 9. Okay, so 25 shipped. If you're interested, let me know. All right, and then there is also this one here, which is the, did I go in the right order? I just want to make sure. Yes, so this is going to be lot number 10. This one will be the Valentine kit box. I will also make sure to link the video that I share a more thorough look into what's inside here. This will be 25 shipped. Which means shipping included. This is a great starter kit for those starting off. And I just wanted to show you guys a little peek, if I could. Let's see. Okay, it's gonna ruin the sticker, so maybe I'll just try to. Yeah, it's packaged up well in there, so I don't want to dig in there and ruin that for whoever is going to receive that. But if you want a more thorough look, I will make sure to link that video as well in the description box, okay? I put that there so that whoever cuts open into this box doesn't ruin whatever that's inside. This will be lot 10, 25 shipped if you are interested. And then last but not least, this one is the Valentine's destash. This will be 20 shipped. This is lot number 11. And let's see what we got inside. So there are some foam roses here. Okay. There is this bag of new, I think some are used, some are new. This red foam hearts, glitter foam hearts. Great to throw in into the Happy Mail mix. There is a mix of crystals, these sticker hearts here, these hearts, confettis, glitter confettis, and then that. So there's that. Then there's also this new pack of wood veneers pieces, which is flowers. There's an open pack of this, which is glitter bracelets, which you can use as like chain. So those are great for that. Oh, and here's a new pack here. And then here is some more wood pieces, and it's lips. And then here is a new pack here, which is love. And then this one here is heart that says love. And then here's a new pack of these stickers. They're 3D stickers. And then there is also this pack of brand new foam stickers here. And then a brand new pack of these cupcake stickers. And also a brand new pack of these nice chunky foams stickers here. And also this brand new pack of Valentine sprinkles, which you can probably use in your mix. I don't know what the overdue date is, but yeah, I would probably use that as a sprinkle mix, and then this piece here, which is opened before. I think I've used a couple. But it comes with these here. They're like treat containers. I think I might have used 1 or 2. I'm not sure, but yeah. So there's that. And then just a little thank you, some bow, my handmade bow, and that I believe is going to be Valentine's destash 20 ship lot number 11 if you are interested. So yeah, if you are interested in any of these lots, please email me or private message me on my Instagram, which is Crafty Mama Panda, and we will move on from there. And please send payment through PayPal. This is going to be US only, friends and families only. Okay, if you have any other questions, don't be afraid to contact me. Okay, all right. I think that's it for now. I think I will be going through my storage and have definitely more destashes coming along. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. All right, bye.